Hey, ça va fait comment nous m'espère que tout le monde en forme. Je dis c'est un plaisir encore montrer la caille nous. Boto un bel point pour nous côté qui va montrer nous une jeune fille qui rencontre un jeune homme, OK? Eh bien, ça qui intéresse c'est machine jeune homme grand monde avec l'argent grand monde, OK? So, m'a profiter remercier tout le monde qui est abonné avec page Facebook ça. So, merci.
How you doing? Excuse me. How you doing, beautiful?
Have a good day.
So rude. Why are you so rude? Oh, that's all right. They be tripping out here, but they ain't put them doors up, boy.
Yeah, I'm going my
That's your car?
That's right, sweetie. How you doing?
I see you, old man.
Huh? Oh man, why the old man gotta come to play? I'm not old, huh?
I'm just saying, I'm not trying to holler at you. I'm just like, that's a nice car.
Oh, I appreciate that. You ain't hollering. You ain't about your money. You ain't about your money, huh?
I mean, I do like money.
Yeah, I know you do. Look at you.
I don't like it's a Ferrari or anything.
That's all right. Hey, I got one of those too, sweetie. At the crib.
What cars you got?
Oh, I got 6 right now, baby. Yeah. You ever been in one of these?
No, I haven't.
Go on, sit down. Let's see what you look like up in there, girl. Oh, let me take a picture of you.
Okay.
Yeah, let's see what you got. Oh, you want to take one? God damn. You single?
No, man, but it's okay.
Huh?
No.
Oh, he ain't having money like me. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, you want to have a seat up in there?
Being or like, where are we going?
Let's talk about it. We could talk about it. Let me hear. You know how to put down this Lambo door? This Ferrari?
Yeah.
They out here tripping, boy. Hey, got sexy mama up in here. How you doing, beautiful?
I'm good. I was actually Uber to pick me up.
Uber?
Yeah.
I thought you... What, Uber? Somebody beautiful like you picking up an Uber?
Yeah.
Why they ain't come to get you?
I just came from a photo shoot, so.
Oh, I see. You beautiful. Well, so you single?
I'm actually married.
Married?
Yeah.
I mean, married. Is he stacked up like this? Let's see.
Like what?
He's stacked up like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we about to go shopping? We should go to the strip club.
Strip club? What's that
Yeah,
gonna
let's
do
go
for
to the
me?
strip club. Let's go. You like girls, right? Go hang out. Go look at some girls. Like, I love women.
Look, I'm on the way. I'm about to croak in a minute. I'm trying to make some money.
So is this really your car? Like,
That's really my car, baby. You see that's on right there.
can you
See that?
drive this?
Can I drive it?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't I? I'm an ex-NASCAR racer.
You better be
You
careful.
know, I mean,
You're
right.
older.
What
You better
we
be
doing?
careful driving these fast.
I don't have no time to waste. All I care about in life is Hennessy inside of a boot.
Let's go get some girls then. Let's go get some girls.
What else we gonna do?
We can go shopping. Let's go shopping first. And then
My old walking around the mall, they don't even look right. Come
you're
on
at the
now.
beach.
They gonna be like, oh, this shit, he her sugar daddy and all that.
Who cares what everybody says?
Hey, I ain't got time for that. You know what I mean?
So you just come in here trying to get girls at the beach and then take them home? And
No, I seen you. You beautiful. But if you got a husband, ain't no need of you being up in here.
I mean, like,
You get up out of my room.
well, I don't even know how to open this car, old man, so.
I help you.
In here anyways.
Yeah,
You're turn the AC on. It's hot.
Okay.
All right,
I'll
well,
see
good
you
luck,
later.
old man.
You have a good day. See ya. What the hell they talking about? These young girls out here tripping.
C'était avec nous et JLC. Après, on a une autre vidéo. Capito Pi Mauvais. À la prochaine.